Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panoramic sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2016 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tires, rear all-season, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.